After a fun couple of days in Osaka, it was finally time for our day trip to Kyoto. That morning, we got up, put on our matching outfits, and got ready to take the bullet train into Kyoto. Our first stop was at the Cup Noodle Factory. Here we learned all about the history of the famous cup noodles, as well as got to enter the factory ourselves. We got to design our own cups, pick out all our own flavors, and learn how to seal package them for our journey home. We spent a good amount of time visiting this museum and take a look at all we got to do. After we wrapped up at the Cup Noodle Factory, we then took the train to the outskirts of Kyoto. This area was located in the mountains, and it was very beautiful and tranquil. We got caught in the rain, and so we decided to stop at a traditional Japanese tea house. Here we had a delicious and traditional Japanese lunch, before checking out this little town and all the cute little shops it had to offer. Come take a look as you see what we got to do. After finishing up looking at the town, we decided to go to the Monkey Park, which was on the top of a large mountain that we had to hike through the forest to get to. It was raining pretty hard, but along our way, somebody stopped Nick and noticed his university jacket. It turns out they actually went to the same school, Laurier, in Canada. Along the way, Nick also ran into another traveler from North America, but unfortunately, he didn't really know where Canada was. However, come with us as we see what we saw at the Monkey Park.
go see some monkeys at the monkey park. Hope I don't get bit.
Where are the monkeys?
While at the monkey park, Finn's brand new Nikes that she had just gotten in Tokyo got a little bit destroyed. We also had a fun competition to see who could do the best monkey impression. See for yourself who the real winner was.
No, he's smiling. Guess who's the angry one?
Angry?
Okay.
Scary? Yeah, okay, do the angry face. And do the scary face.
We are here in Kyoto. Very small town compared to where we've been. Very cute. It's in the mountains. Very rainy today, but still trekking on. Next we're going to the main temple in this area. Look at the mountain. Beautiful. Water. Definitely my favorite city we've been to so far.
After the monkey park, we decided to head to the train to head to the next location, the famous temple. Along the way, Finn was nice enough to teach Nick how to do some modeling tricks.
Okay, now walk. Walk.
Next, we visited the most famous Inari Shrine in all of Kyoto. When we got there, we placed a prayer at the entrance to the shrine and then made our way up to the beautiful mountain to which it lays. Unfortunately, due to the weather, we were unable to make it to the top, but come along on our journey as we walk through the breathtaking shrine together, featuring the beautiful orange gates and the little shrine sanctuaries along the way. When we finally reached the furthest point we could go, we were absolutely soaked. Nick's socks were so wet that his feet were starting to cut, but even though he was soaked, Finn made him take the same video 3 times to make sure she had the perfect shot. Finally, we headed into downtown Kyoto where we grabbed the most delicious dinner of tempura shrimp. Finn was sadly too late to be able to get her famous matcha ice cream.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows?
After this, we got back on the train to head back to the hotel for our big next day, Mount Fuji.
What?
They look like a wet dog. They propose.